Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run TikTok ads for e-commerce. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure to log into your account. Now, go to the Profile tab from the bottom menu. Then, tap the three bars in the top right corner and select TikTok Studio. In TikTok Studio, you can view analytics of your account. Scroll down and navigate to the Promote option. Here, choose your goal first, such as get sales. Next, tap More Website Visits to reach your landing page menu. From the option, choose Call for Action and enter your URL. After adding the URL, tap Save. Go back and tap Save to apply changes to your landing page. Then, choose the video you want to promote in Select Creatives. Following that, define your audience by selecting the Custom option. To choose an audience, select the gender, age, interest, and tap Save. Go back and choose your budget by sliding the bar or edit it according to your requirements. Once confirmed, tap to select the duration. After that, preview the promotional ad or video. Once you are done, tap the Recharge button. You must have at least a few coins in your balance to recharge it. Then, select the Recharge option and tap Recharge. Lastly, choose the payment method by adding a credit or debit card. Finally, TikTok ad can run on your account for e-commerce. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.